Welcome to the operative new REALME GT Neo 3T, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while our device home screen with the finger, and after that we'll see here the widgets icon. After that we can see here and find all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see here the calendar application. Just to add the calendar schedule or the full month view, we should click on the widget, and now it's added successfully to our home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. So let's just move it to another screen. We can also create the new screens, or just to move between the our screens the widget just by hold and just drag it to the left or to the right side. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can make it by this way. And just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. After that, confirm your action by click to remove widgets, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.